Have you ever wondered why your videos aren't getting at least 100 views? Well, you might be thinking, I spent a lot of time editing and making great content. Does the YouTube algorithm hate me? Well, if you are that person, then this video is for you. In this video, I will be telling you how to gain thousands of views in your next video or short. Before we get into this, let me first introduce myself. My name is Social Media Moneymaker, and on this channel, I cover all the methods on how you can make money from the social media apps that you already have on your phone. And all the methods that I mention in my channel can be done without any capital investment. Make sure you watch till the end, because I will be giving you some top secret tricks that other gurus might charge hundreds of dollars for. So now let's get right into it. First, I will talk about long-form content. When it comes to long-form videos, the only thing that matters is your CTR, which is the click-through rate. According to professionals, the best click-through rate is between 2% and 10%. And the next factor that YouTube consider when it comes to videos is the AVD, which means the average view duration. According to professionals, the AVD should be about 1 to 2 minutes or more. And that's it. If your video has the average click-through rate and average view duration, then your video should blow up in a very short time. But still, if your video hasn't blown up yet, then all I have to say is, be patient and give your video some time to mature. Now let's move on to YouTube Shorts. When it comes to YouTube Shorts, the YouTube algorithm only cares about the viewed versus skipped rate. If the viewed rate is higher than the skipped rate, then it's a good sign that the YouTube algorithm will push your short to more people. Let me now tell you the top secret methods for getting more views. The first step is to have an engaging and curious hook. For shorts, your hook should be 3 seconds long. And for long-form videos, your hook should be at least 30 seconds. After you get your hook correctly, then all you have to do is make sure to keep the viewer engaged throughout the video. The best way to do that is by changing something every 2 to 3 seconds in the video. After you create your video, I recommend you ask a stranger about the video, as a stranger might give you an honest answer. Finally, the last step is to upload the video. But wait, you need to optimize your video according to SEO. The best SEO tool on the internet is vidIQ. I use it, and it's amazing. The final best part is to upload it. The most crucial thing when it comes to uploading videos on YouTube is to upload them at the correct time. Let me know in the comments if you guys need a separate video regarding uploading times on YouTube. And guys, that's it when it comes to what the YouTube algorithm wants. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Please make sure to like and subscribe if this video gave you any new knowledge. I hope to see you in my next video.